Let's look at some color ideas and variations for our recent design concept of the Triumph Thruxton RS. We're gonna start with a clean alpine white paint, in combination with a bronze seat. Now let's remove the exhaust wrap and let's see how that looks. Next let's remove the belly pan as well as the side cover. Time to switch the color and see how the bike would look like in turquoise in combination with the bronze seat. Let's put the engine belly pan back on and also the side cover. Now we switch the color again to red to see how that looks. Let's try a combination with a black seat instead of the brown one. As the final color for now, let's try blue with the black seat. And let's remove the belly pan again as well as the side cover to see how a more naked bike would look like. Let us know if you would like to see another color combination in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified for our next video. Thanks for watching.